Is your hair color washing down the drain? Put a plug in it.
EverPure Hair Care by L'Oreal. Color protection guaranteed.
Tell them about it, Jonathan.
EverPure is 100% sulfate-free, so it's non-stripping. It's color protection, plus specialized care for whatever your hair needs.
I've used it for 10 years. To me, EverPure's the best color protecting shampoo ever. I'm just saying, that's what it does.
EverPure from L'Oreal Paris, the #1 color care brand.
And you're worth it.
Worried about thinning hair and new balding areas? You're not alone. By age 50, over 50% of men and women will experience noticeable signs of hair loss, caused by a hormone called DHT that starves the hair follicle and over time making the hair shorter and thinner. Introducing Amplixin Hair Support System. It's like nothing you've ever experienced before. Amplixin Hair Support System is a proven combination of topical hair products for men and women that helps block the negative effects of DHT on the scalp, volumizes the hair follicle from the inside, and helps to promote new, healthy hair growth cycles. So what is it, and how does it work? Using the latest science and technology, Amplixin is 100% sulfate and paraben-free, can be used by men and women with any hair type. That's right, any hair type. Normal, thinning, dry, oily, colored, ethnic, you name it. Amplixin is perfect for everyone. The secret behind Amplixin is the AmpliGrow complex, a unique combination of carefully researched ingredients that, when activated together, create a nutritional powerhouse for the scalp while protecting the hair follicle from degradation caused by DHT. Simply wash your hair with the stimulating shampoo, follow with the revitalizing conditioner, and finish by applying the leave-in intensive growth serum. It's that simple.
After using the shampoo and conditioner for 6 weeks, my hair definitely feels healthier and looks thicker.
Hair loss and thinning is caused by sensitivity of hair follicles to DHT. Testosterone enters the hair follicle through androgen receptors. Once it enters, it interacts with an enzyme 5-alpha reductase. It then converts to DHT. Unfortunately, DHT causes havoc for hair follicles. This then leads to a process called miniaturization. It causes thinner hair to grow. Eventually, these hairs become so weak that once they fall out, they do not regrow. Scientists at Hair Restoration Laboratories have identified ingredients that, when applied topically, have the ability to halt DHT from damaging hair follicles. Green tea extract, saw palmetto extract, pumpkin seed oil, cumin seed oil, caffeine, biotin, hydrolyzed pea protein, cayenne fruit extract, niacin, and many more. Hundreds of published clinical studies establish that these ingredients block DHT. By blocking DHT from attacking the hair follicle, hair loss can be prevented, stimulating thicker, stronger, and healthier looking hair. Hair Restoration Laboratories products feature DHT halting technology, the most effective ingredients available to help feed your hair exactly what it needs to grow strong, thick, and healthy.
Why do I think people should really use essential oils? Is I think essential oils really are the essence of the plant. It's like all about power, and that little bit of the plant is in its purest form. And what's so wonderful about an essential oil is that the way that the molecules not only can, when they topically get on our body, they absorb into our bodies and can affect healing, but also the smell and the scent can actually affect our state of mind. And so an essential oil, I think, is the most profound and the purest delivery of like what holistic medicine would be, because you're getting both the physical aspect of the oil along with the emotional, psychological, and spiritual part. It's like a true integration of mind, body, and spirit.